Hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen respiration in plants. So we are going to see respiration in various animals in this video. All animals breathe in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. But different organs and processes are involved for the same. Now the terrestrial organisms involve the air present in the atmosphere, whereas the aquatic animals uses the oxygen which is dissolved in water. Now we know that the dissolved oxygen is in less quantity in comparison to the atmosphere. So the breathing rate of aquatic animals is faster in comparison to terrestrial animals. Let's see an example of fish. Now the fish take in the water through their mouth and force it to pass through the gills. Now the gills there absorbs the dissolved oxygen and releases out the carbon dioxide through the blood. The second case is the terrestrial. Now the terrestrial organisms take in oxygen from the air present in the atmosphere. These organisms involve different organs for the same process. But one thing is common between all the organs. These organs have large surface area which provide maximum contact of the oxygen-rich atmosphere. These surfaces are also fine and delicate. Now these surfaces are fine and delicate, so they are always present inside the body so that they are well protected. We can also explain these terrestrial and aquatic process by the example of frog. We know that the frog is an amphibian. It can live on both land and water. Now when the frog is in water, it respires through the skin. Its skin is thin, which is richly supplied with blood vessels and capillaries. But when the frog is on land, it breathes like human through nostrils and lungs. So we have seen how various animals are involved in respiration process. So we are going to specifically see how respiration in humans work in our next video.